everybody, it's me, Azalea. You're watching This Old Shack here on the WayCrunchy YouTube channel. First order of business today is we got another nest of yellow jackets in the ground, and it's on the side of the house where the contractor is still needing to put up siding. Anyway, I gotta get rid of these beasts, these tiny winged beasts. If you have watched the entire journey of This Old Shack, you'll know when we first got the property, there was a major yellow jacket problem. Now, these are the stingy winged beasts that live in holes in the ground. So you might casually call them wasps or bees. Anyway, they don't make honey or anything like that. They're yellow jackets and they sting you. They stung up John. Y'all go back and watch those videos. I'm going to put a link in the description below of our first battle with the yellow jackets. So we're all hippy dippy, WayCrunchy. So we tried to do things naturally to deal with these yellow jackets. We tried all sorts of natural, non-chemical, humane methods to get rid of these yellow jackets. And we did this, I think, for weeks. And John's one of those people that gets stung a lot. I'm one of those people who really, I don't get stung by anything unless I step on a honeybee because I'm walking barefoot through the clover. That's the only time I ever get stung by anything. Knock on wood, knock on wood. Anyway, we learned that there was really no way around it. If you wanted to get the nest of yellow jackets out of the ground, wasp and hornet killer is chemical. Nobody likes that. It kills them. They're innocent creatures, but they really need to go on somewhere. There's so much wild land close by our house here that they need to go over to that wild land. They can't stay in our yard, or they have to be dealt with lethally. Anyway, I got another hole here. I'm gonna have to poison it. So that's my first thing this morning. Now, you can see the hole if you look close. They are just, okay. All right, I'm not messing with you. That's a lie. I'm definitely gonna mess with you. Let's see me. Uh-oh. I think they notice I'm here. Alright, so I'm going to need all hands free. I'm going to set up the phone. That's how I film all my WayCrunchy videos, is on the phone. The sprayer isn't really working good, but I got their hole. There ain't no way they're going to want to stay living there. So the ones that are alive and flying around, hopefully they'll move on somewhere else. Now, inside, I have one number one goal today, and that's to finish the bathroom ceiling. Now, I'm using scraps of thin drywall for ceilings, and I know it looks janky, but y'all know I love utilizing scraps and things. So once I get the joint tape and the joint compound and smooth things out and prime it and paint it, you won't even know. Am I super professional and great at DIY? No. Do I make it work? Absolutely. And that's the message I want to send you, is that you can be a beginner, you can be creative, you can use subpar materials, but you can make it look good, you can make it work, and you can learn along the way. A lot of dust falls down from the ceiling. I got my mask and my glasses and my hair bandana. Oh, don't you cry for me. This one long ways on this end, and long ways on this area. End. Whoopsie. This end. I need to move this chair over. Yeah, that's better. Duh. Does it look perfect? No. Is it going anywhere? No. It's up there. It's good. next to more work. And now there's a bird in the house. There's a bird in the house. I tried to raise up the window to let him fly out the open window, but he got stuck in between here. Golly. Bird. I'll get you out of here. Don't have a heart attack. You're pooping on my window because you're having a heart attack. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out. Yes. All right, down. Go down. You need to go down. There. Bye-bye, bird. Y'all, it's roughed in. I'm so freaking tired. Reaching above me, lifting things above me, pushing things above me. But that part's done. This is the second time I've finished this ceiling. Last time I left the crumbly plaster up and tried to repair it, and then it all fell down. This is the second ceiling I have put up and fixed in this room. But I'm learning. I'm learning along the way. I look a hot mess. I absolutely look a hot mess. Y'all, stay tuned as we're on the home stretch to moving in this palace. Bye, y'all.